When you begin writing a book, it does not begin as a book. It begins as a sliver of thought. A few scattered ideas, a question you cannot quite leave alone. At the start, even getting myself to the table was difficult. I realized the imposter syndrome is real. Around the same time, I began making these short 2-minute videos, and that changed something. One day, a colleague told me while we were having coffee, he said, "This video described my journey exactly." He had never commented or he had never even placed a like in my videos. But that was the moment. The moment thought became certainty. Everything changed. That moment I realized that this book mattered. After that, the work changed. Writing, rewriting, editing, cleaning, polishing, and then doing it all over again. The harder problem was knowing when to stop. But here I am. Now I have stopped. I'm happy to announce that Relevance Trap is complete. The manuscript is fully edited and ready for publication. It's a 3-part book about why capable professionals stagnate at work even when they are busy, dependable, obviously competent. It explores how organizations can keep people valuable in the present while quietly limiting their movement into the future. Not always through malice or politics, but through the structure, habit, and institutional convenience. And finally, it looks at how professionals can rebuild relevance and escape the trap. To everyone who has watched these videos, commented, encouraged me, or simply stayed with the ideas, thank you very much. And if this video stayed with you, I would love to have a thumbs up and comments if possible. It helps the book reach the people it was written for. I am Venkatachalam Vishwanathan, author of The Relevance Trap.